Hi, this is Michaela from Easy Test Pools, and today I will be going over the Distinction LX above ground pool. Let's start with going over some technical details of this beautiful model. The Distinction LX comes in various shapes and sizes, starting with a round shape, starting with sizes from, and an oval shape, starting with sizes of. All Distinction LX pools also come at a 52-inch height. The Distinction LX has high-end steel components with an 8-inch multi-ribbed printed top ledge, fully supportive printed uprights, a reinforced resin ledge cover, all steel top coated with poly enamel coating. All components are coated with Zinc Guard 275, a wall coating with layers of protection on both sides, stainless steel hardware. As well as it being easy to assemble, it also comes with a yard extender system for oval pools. The Distinction LX and all other above ground pools are able to be built within 1 day. If it's an oval shaped, maybe 2. Easy Test Pools also offers financing for up to 18 months on all above ground pools. If you would like to learn more about the Distinction LX above ground pool, please visit us online at easytestpools.com. Thank you for watching.